If you've ever wanted to plan your WhatsApp calls ahead of time and make sure no one misses them, the new Schedule Call feature is perfect for you. It lets you set up a call in advance, choose all the details, and send invites so everyone knows when to join. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you're running the latest version. This feature may not show up if you haven't updated. Once you're in, tap the Calls tab. On most devices, you'll find it at the bottom right of your screen. On the Calls page, tap the green New Call button to start setting things up. You should now see the option for Schedule Call. If you don't, double-check your app version. Tap it to continue. A scheduling screen will appear where you can type a call title. This is optional, but it helps others know what the call is about. You can also add a short description with more details. Next, set the date and start time for your call. You can also choose an end date and time if you want the call window to be clear. If you don't need an end time, you can remove it. Then select your call type, either voice or video. Once you've filled in all the details, tap the Send button. Now choose the person or group you want to invite from your contact list. After selecting, tap Send again. With the Schedule Call feature, you can plan ahead, keep everyone on the same page, and make sure your calls run smoothly without last-minute confusion.